my pumpkin. In my rocket. In my pocket. In my pumpkin. Oh, he has a head. He has...
Lift your cover off, Ryan.
What?
Lift your cover off.
Want to see inside?
Sure. There it is.
Here's my jack-o'-lantern.
Look at me.
Here's him dead.
Dead.
Here's his eyes. Here's his nose. Here's his...
It's
Black.
people guts. People guts.
Lori, where did you write your pumpkin? Show Daddy your pumpkin.
So recording?
Yep.
Let's look at your pumpkin.
Hi.
Mom, record me as like a pumpkin.
People guts. People guts.
Come here.
Mom. Mom.
Oh, I'm
Stand up.
dancing with my pumpkin. I'm dancing with my pumpkin.
Look, Laura.
I'm dancing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look, Laura.
Just stuck it on a jet that just died.
Mom, look at
No,
mine.
look at Mama.
Okay.
Look at Mama. Let's see
This, Mom, put his
Laura,
brain.
that's your
Mom,
pumpkin.
put his
this.
brain.
Give it a kiss, Laura. Give it a kiss. Laura, give your pumpkin a kiss.
Mom, cut my pumpkin's brain.
You guys ready to carve it, or what are you going to do? Just keep scraping it with nothing
Pumpkin
left?
brains. Strings that don't go bye-bye.
Well, after a while, you just kind of got to give up.
Will you check mine? Dad, is mine good?
Laura,
Mom, cord up. Mom.
It's very hard to get this thing
Is this my tooth? What's my tooth?
back off from Jason. You got a hard enough time cutting here without the kids down there.
Oh,
Laura? Pick that spoon up there and put it in the sink, will you? We'll put it in the sink.
No, I'm not the sink. The sink's over there.
Watch your hand.
I know.
Watch where that knife is in your hand.
Ow. Ow. What kind of eyes does he have?
You want help?
Maybe.
Guys, you guys are going to have a hard time doing carving your pumpkins.
And out it. Almost close.
Don't do any more until we get her out of
You see the eye?
Yep.
This is the eye. Okay, now don't look at me.
What?
You know, like a circle here, like
Look
top,
inside.
you know? But then there's teeth inside
Peek
that.
inside.
Okay, Mom, now you gotta get my other eye. Okay, Mom, look. Here.
no,
One
no.
eye. And then I threw over it and got another eye. Okay, here
This is automatically.
we go.
here.
Oh, you're washing off my face. Uh-oh, my tooth broke.
Sorry.
Mom, get me. Mom. Mom.
This is my pumpkin. I did it all by myself. I scraped the insides and everything. Yeah, she's still got strings hanging in it. This is Laura's pumpkin. That Dad did. That Dad did for Laura because she's obviously too small. The one that Mom's hand is in front of is Brian's pumpkin.
Right
And,
through the nose, dear.
and
Get the
You can
Dad.
Dad, nice shirt. Dad and Ryan did Ryan's pumpkin. And And Jason's pumpkin, which is the tall, skinny one, which is supposed to look like Frankenstein, and I think it does a lot. Jason did all by himself, except for the mouth, and the eyebrows and the ears. These are our pumpkins.
Okay, why don't you guys walk in and kind of be around the
Get a close up here.
Mom, will you take a picture of
Move in by your pumpkins, guys.
what?
Just gonna buy pumpkin.
Oh, it's got a bruise. Why it has a bruise on it?
No. Here, wait. Are you recording?
Yep.
This is my pumpkin. Yep. This is the best one of all of them.
This is my pumpkin. Yep. This is my pumpkin. Yep.
And he's smoking right here. I think that's a pretty good idea. And this is my pumpkin. He has a big round nose. And he has square eyes, but I don't care about the mouth. He lost a tooth. So I'm going to put it under his pillow for the tooth, for the pumpkin berry, so he can get back his new tooth. So, that's all. Oh, ow! Yeah, get me!
Last whiskers, Mom?
Yeah, get me! Wait.
Mom? Last
Yeah.
whiskers?
Yeah.
No.
Fine line.
Yeah, get me! Dad!
No, Dad.
Get me!
Are you okay?
All right.
Hi!
More black highlights?
Hi! Yo!
Black. Well, watch you. Just don't touch any furniture. Where's your belt line?
Ryan, you don't have enough clothes on underneath that thing. No, you don't.
Have that.
Well, I know that one she moved.
You can wear the black earmuffs.
Laura.
No, I have to wear a hat.
Well,
He'll wear the
you'll
black.
feel a lot better. I don't think the earmuffs will stay on your head.
Laura. Laura.
Your head.
Look at me, Laura.
You should wear a... All the other kids are going to be wearing...
What?
Don't.
Laura, no, not now. Later. I am
You
going
think they won't know you when they see your
Kid needs
face?
an operation.
What?
Boy, do you look like you have muscles. Look at, does this look like a strong ninja warrior or what?
Go like this, Ryan.
Okay.
Can you bend your arms, Ryan?
Can you say trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Can you say thank you?
Laura.
Remember the thank you. Okay.
Laura, can you wave?
Okay. Get your
Can
glove
you wave?
all the way.
Huh?
This afternoon and tonight, they're going to be getting the snow. Hopefully it will happen before they have temperatures drop below freezing. Rochester right now saying, oh, we think that the roads will be icy. The temperatures will drop, the roads will be icy, we'll get snow. We are getting reports on the east and southeast side of the metro area in the suburbs, the latest, of course, being Cottage Grove. They're getting some sleet, and it's been sleeting there for an hour. They have an inch on the ground, and so they're just getting to the north central section of the state. Here in Minnesota, we are still under a winter storm warning, and I'll be back with that record snowfall.
Better for you. Tastes great. Now, come on, Roger. Everybody knows people drink sweet acidophilus because it's better for you. Charlie, I know sweet acidophilus is a healthier milk, but it's that great fresh taste that keeps people drinking it. Yeah, sure, Roger. I know that our fine friends at Dairy Fresh Foods deliver only the freshest and best food around. Special cultures in certain milk that help bodies maintain the healthy digestive balance that people are really after. But I know it's a taste people love. And both 2% and the protein-fortified skim sweet acidophilus. Skim milk that tastes like the real thing. People love it.
You know, Raj, maybe you're right. Maybe it is the taste.
Yeah. Well, the taste can't be beat, but you're right. Maybe it is those health benefits that make Dairy Fresh Super Milk so popular.
No, I think it's the taste.
No, I think it's better for you. It tastes great. No, better for you. It's so good. Eric, half a minute. Go ahead.
Mike Hamilton is a Greenway Athletic Club in downtown Minneapolis. What happened to your tennis club, Mike?
Yeah, we have there's no chairs in the dome itself.
Any injuries at all? Anybody inside?
There was nobody. Luckily, very fortunate. There was nobody. Somebody play. Our front desk supervisor, Mike Ellison, happened to see him and stopped just in time. So.
Thanks, Michael.
Laura, that's
Mike
cool.
Hamilton from Greenway Athletic Club.
Brr.
Maylocks brings you the Wall Street Journal Report on CCO Radio.
Did you touch the snow, Laura?
It's a catch-22 situation. Since the economy has consumers working for some reason, the government's main forecasting aid, the index of leading indicators, slipped in
Was that
September
cold?
in 8 months. Because of that, the growth rate should falter somewhat in the fourth quarter. For information, when you survey Pine households plan to spending by more than 3.5% from a year ago, holiday season one analyst calls it abysmal. Investors in a sniff because the Federal Reserve didn't move quickly to cut the discount rate. The Dow Jones Industrial a short while ago down 14.98 at 3054.12. December gold up 20 cents at 359.70 an ounce. December silver up 2 cents at 4.15. When you got Maalox. Now with new extra strength Maalox Plus tablets. They're stronger than Dove, stronger than Rolex. And who knows more about science than Maalox? New Minty Extra Smoother Fast. Comparison based on lab tests of acid neutralization among leading regular sources.
And today's headaches call for today's aspirin. Prescription. The only thing relieving full power of aspirin for today's headaches. Handle enough for today's stomachs. So if you want to get rid of pain in your head without the stomach pain aspirin may work.
Not like fingers on me all. I don't care. It's too big. So, waiting for online to open up. Mine won't happen again. When business doesn't.
Okay, can we do this? No, it's recording right now. Not in the water.